Hey there, Bernard here from Dialogue France. In previous videos, we went over the music of the French language. It's flat, it's regular, one continuous word with ups and downs in the end of word group. The first question you will probably ask is, in English, I make my sentences lively by putting stresses on important words, by changing rhythm, by using cuts. How can I make a sentence lively in French if everything is flat, regular and linked together? Well, there are three elements you can play with: tune, speed and end of word groups. Let's take an example. Simple question in English on the street. Hello, excuse me, can you please tell me where is the station? French, bonjour, excusez-moi, vous pouvez me dire où est la gare, s'il vous plaît. You can play with the tune. Bonjour is higher. Excusez-moi, lower. Vous pouvez me dire lower. Où est la gare? Higher. S'il vous plaît, high. So I used 4 different tunes. You can change the speed. Bonjour, to draw attention, not too fast. Excusez-moi, fast. Vous pouvez me dire normal. Où est la gare? Slowly. S'il vous plaît, faster. 4 different speeds. You can also play with the end of the word groups. In another video, I explained that when you make a break, you go up, but you can also go straight. For example, bonjour, straight. Excusez-moi, up. Vous pouvez me dire, straight. Où est la gare? Up. S'il vous plaît, straight. It makes the sentence lively. Now here's the trick. French is not a fast language. It is a language without cuts. Feel free to adapt your speed to your ability to speak without making cuts. Don't hesitate to slow down. For the most important words in such a sentence, the most important words are where is the station? In French, où est la gare? So you can say, excusez-moi, vous pouvez me dire où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? If you speak slowly, we will listen more carefully.